Hi friends, I am at India Gate right away, and it was widely publicized that the government will not allow any vendors on the paths and lanes above the ground, and only certain vendors will be allowed to sit or have their stalls in the basement part of the CentralVista. But today I'm surprised that all vendors are back and they are over the ground. They are in and around the paths, and they have blocked the pathways. I don't know whether they're just sitting like this or have been allowed by the government. It's only the government which is to answer for it. I'm not against vendors, but then of course they must be controlled. Their activities must be controlled. They should not be hindering or impeding the path of the revelers here or the walkers here, which is a bit of a disappointment. क्यों भैया, ये कल तक तो ये सब थे नहीं वेंडर्स वगैरह, ये कहाँ से क्या अलाउ किया इन्हें किसी ने?
नहीं सर, ये डेली थे, कल बारिश थी इसलिए नहीं थे।
अच्छा, वैसे अलाउ किया हुआ है यहाँ ऊपर? हमने सुना था कि नीचे बिठाया जाएगा।
अलाउ नहीं है।
अच्छा, बस ऐसे ही आ गए हैं?
ये आ जाते हैं अपनी जबरदस्ती।
ऑलराइट, बस यही मैं जानना चाह रहा था, बिकॉज कल तक कोई नहीं था। कल मैं आया था यहाँ।
हाँ, कल बारिश की वजह से आए नहीं थे, फिर परसों की बारिश थी।
ओके, चल,
अपनी जबरदस्ती से आते हैं।
ओके, थैंक यू। सो एज आई सस्पेक्टेड, they are sitting on their own, and obviously I don't have to say who has allowed them here. No prizes for guessing. Bye, enjoy.